I bought a house out on the town, in a place where no one cares enough to die. Too busy questioning myself to ask them why. And it's hard to whisper on the telephone when the atmosphere is glassy undertone, and your bootleg faith is frozen to the floor. Do you ever question the things that keep you sit down? Girl, lighten up, I'm just pointing it out. But if my bones start to show through the permafrost, I'll be walking home. Bones that start to show, I'll be walking home. Said if my bones they start to show, I'll be walking home. Permafrost, let me up, it's been a damn long year.
Gençler birbirlerini görmüşler. Sevmişler. Bir de Allah'ın emri peygamberin kavmiyle kızımız Yağmur&Fatih'e istiyoruz.
Efendim sizler de çok uzak yoldan geldiniz. Bayağı da yorgun gözüküyorsunuz. İsteğiniz üzerine Allah'ın emri peygamberin kavliyle evet demek.
Allah hayırlı uğurlu etsin inşallah.
Allah hayırlı uğurlu etsin. Allah uzun ömür versin. Güzel bir yaşam tarzı olsun.
İnşallah.
Bundan sonraki hayatlarında sağlık, mutluluk ve başarılar temenni ediyorum. Hayırlı uğurlu olsun.
But I'm halfway in the ground.
Austin them keep doing your thing. Let these boys keep slipping, man. I'm not into gymnastics, but I'm into flipping things. I tell these women that it's all about a team. Jordan and Pippen, man. So do you wanna join the team? Now tell me, little miss thing.
When I saw her walking down the street, she looked so fine, I just had to speak. I asked her name, but she turned away as she walked. All that I could say was yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. All that I could say was yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. All that I could say was one time we'll make it up as we go. I know you feel it 'cause I mean what I say, say, say, say. We can do whatever we want. When she walked past me, I said, hey, hey, hey, hey, hey. So tell me where you from, where you wanna go. Why she walked past me like I ain't say a word. Stood there like, man, girl, I don't usually feel some type of way, but this one hit me hard in some kind of place. Like, when I saw her walking down the street, she looked so fine, I just had to speak.